Hey guys, it's been a while since I made a fucking video. Well, today, it's not gonna be a mystery box unboxing. Surprise. It's gonna be a get ready with me. I guess it could be a makeup tutorial, but like, I'm not really gonna be like step for step kind of thing. I'm kind of just gonna be like doing my makeup. Like, I'll still show you what I'm using, but I'm more so just gonna be doing it. But yeah, let's get into it. For my primer, I'm gonna use my MAC Prep and Prime. This stuff's really good. It's a really nice primer. So, but that's all over my face. I'm gonna get something to like put my hair back. All right. For my foundation, I'm gonna use the MAC Studio Fix. And this is in shade N65, I think. Sorry, I have really bright lights right now because I'm in the middle of waiting for my ring light to come in. So I'm like using this construction light and it's like bright as fuck. But it's better than what it was before, right? Anyways, I didn't spend the extra $15 for the pump because fuck that. So we're just gonna dump it on the beauty sponge. And then I've got my mirror here. We're gonna go in. Here we go. Oh, okay, so we're gonna spill all over myself. That's cute. Alright. Love it. Oh my god. Okay, anyways. Alright, for my concealer, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way in shade Cream Puff. And we're just gonna conceal the areas that need to be concealed. Here we go. Alright, next we're gonna get baked and then bake our face, so let's go! Well, first I'm just gonna take a drink. Alright, let's get baked. For my baking powder today, I'm gonna use my Jeffree Star translucent powder. Literally, this is unbiased, literally my favorite powder. I also have my Marcel powder, so I'll be like using kind of both right now because I'm like kind of out of this right now. I'm waiting for my other one to come in the mail, so hurry up, coronavirus. I need my Jeffree makeup to go. And I also have a few palettes, so there will be a huge Jeffree Star unboxing coming to you. It's probably the next video, to be honest, because I barely upload, but we're gonna change that. Anyways, back to baking. For my contour, I used to use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, but fuck that shit. I use the Mini Controversy palette in shade Diet Root Beer. As you can see, I'm literally almost hitting pan because I freaking use this thing every day as my contour because it's bomb as shit, and I fucking love it. So when I eventually get Conspiracy, at least that's in there too, so that's good. Anywho, I still use this brush though, but that's okay. Let's go. So when I bake my face, I usually like to let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. So when I meant we're gonna bake and get baked, I literally meant we're gonna bake and get baked. So I'll be back in about 10 to 15 minutes while I go get baked, while I'm baking, and I'll see you then. Be right back. Alright, I'm just gonna blend this in, and then, ooh, no, I'm gonna do my brows first. That's a lie. So I'm gonna use my JS7 JEFFREE Star Morphe brush, and I normally use my NARS pencil, but what's it called? But it's empty. So I recently found in my Morphe X JEFFREE Star palette, in shade What's the Tea, I found that actually matches my brows really well, so I'm gonna use that instead. Let's go. We'll do that real quick. Blend. Alright, for my eyes, I'm gonna be using my Blue Blood palette, and the shades that I'm gonna be using for my look today are Mint Tea, Flourishing, and Entitled. So these three. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna do this off camera because I need my bathroom mirror to do this. It's a lot easier, but I'll just be right back and you'll see. Yeah. Also, before I do my eyes, I'm gonna prep them with my MAC paint pot in shade Soft Orchard, and I'm gonna use my JS13 brush to apply this onto my lid. I can just do this here. This don't require that much mirror, so let's take some of this and put them on my lid, shall we? Okay, now that the eyes are prepped, now I can go do my eyeshadow off camera, and now I'll be right back. So this is how the eyes turned out. For the eyeliner, I used my Rimmel London eyeliner. It's like a green sparkly one that I was going to use for St. Patty's Day before all this virus shit went around. Yeah, it works pretty nice. Now I'm going to apply my lashes and a little bit more of this off camera, along with my mascara, which I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Volume, and my lashes are also cheap, so stay tuned for those. I'm gonna do these off camera real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, eyes and lashes and all that are done. Now these aren't like the best lashes, like they kind of fall off a lot, but whatever. Anywho, what's next? Alright, so I'm just gonna quickly blend in any excess shit that may have fell on my face and yada yadas. So let's just go in there. Alright, and for highlight today, we're gonna use, let's see here. We are gonna use from the 24 karat palette, we're gonna use Liberance here. I was gonna use So Fucking Gold because they kind of look similar. Because they're both golds. Oh, so I can't open this apparently. Because they're like both golds. But I'm gonna use this one instead. So I'm just gonna take my Pro highlight brush and just put some on. Oh yeah, look at that glow, bitch. Yes. That's what we like. A fucking glow. Jeffree's always on point with that shit. Alright. Perf. And then for lips, I'm gonna do the Purple Urkel. Let's see how this bad boy turns out. Alright, this is the final look. Like I said, the lashes are kind of fucky, but they're just cheap lashes, so I don't really care. Oh, we're not done. Give me 1 second. We're almost done here. We need the final. Oh, also, one more step. We're gonna use my Morphe X Jeffree Star Starberry spray. Shall we? Here we go. That's good. Now I smell like strawberry. All right, BRB. Hi, how are ya? All right, this is our final look. So, what do you think? Leave a comment down below of how I did on this look. It was kind of a little rushy, but you know what? I think it looks kind of cute. Again, the lashes look kind of ratchet, but bitch, you can't always look 110. You gotta have at least a 10% flaw. So I gotta look 100, you know? Still look good. I'm not mad. All right, but that's it for today's video. And I hope to see everyone in my next video. Like I said, there will be a huge Jeffree Star unboxing coming soon to you because I have a lot of stuff that I've ordered that I'm just waiting on because of this whole virus. Everything's being delayed. So we've got some palettes and stuff in the midst to unbox and review. And yeah, that's it for today's video. And I hope you enjoy. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye, motherfuckers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on all of my socials down below. Thanks. All right, time to go walk the dog. Just kidding. We're gonna go walk the cat.